returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and we are back down at Insane Power. I had to bring the rest of the parts down because Brett is pretty much done with the motor. We're at the kind of accessory part where we got to get the carbs and the manifolds and little wire hangers and everything. So I got the brand new Holley 2300s 6-pack. I got the brand new manifolds from Tony's Parts, and then you know, benefit of the doubt, I was having a hard time finding oil filters and spark plugs. I had to run around to like 3 different places. So I'll probably have to end up changing something out later. I wanted the Champions. I think those were like J11Ys, you know, just in case, you know, not that it's concourse, but just in case you can see that little Champion, you know, between the spark plug wires and a little insulator cap. But anyway, I'm gonna get this stuff unloaded and we'll get it into Brett, and then I'll probably, you know, pick this back up again, showing you kind of what's done, because the whole front of the motor's done now too. He's got the water pump housing. I mean, basically everything else done. I think the last thing on the last photo was like the distributor wasn't in. So again, that's where we're at, and you know, be right back. All right, so this is the last of the boxes I have to come in. Hang on. All right. It's the last of the boxes I have to come in. Getting too old for this. All right, well, there you go. Well, there's the pretty much the finished block. Looking really good, and doing one thing that it didn't do before, and that was rotating. I'm not sure. I know he's going to get that broken in. Actually, we talked about whether we were going to get it on the engine stand or just wait and get it on the vehicle itself. So anyway, yeah, I brought down quite a few things. I've got the brand new 6-pack, and again, that's brand new 2300s, and got the brand new manifolds from Tony's Parts, and then I've got a whole box full of just miscellaneous stuff. Here's all the wire hangers. I've got the spark plug wires. I've got both the new pulleys. I've got the fuel rails, the new fuel rail. Actually, I think I've got 2 of those in there. Got new gaskets, and then the only thing that, yeah, and there's a vapor separator, and don't remember, I think I've got some other miscellaneous things in this box. The only thing that Holley includes the manifold gaskets. It used to have these on there, which, you know, I'm going to talk to Brett about that and find out if we want to pick up. I mean, I wasn't able to find these. I don't know if we want to pick those up someplace for the extra thickness. I mean, there's some stuff online about putting those up here with the little extra. You get a little bit of kind of heat blockage, and you don't get the heat soak quite as much. But I'm not sure if we want to use those or just use the ones that came stock from Holley. So we'll see. But otherwise, looks good. Yeah, I had this area for the stamping, you know, not painted originally. Probably going to get a little bit of crap about all the bolts, because I got a stainless steel bolt kit for it, which is what I wanted. I wanted everything painted externally, then, you know, put on and assembled. So looks, you know, definitely much better. We'll kind of go from there, and then yeah, that's that bolt for the ground, for the battery ground. And like I said, saw a couple things and it just didn't look right where they spray painted the cable. I mean, that just was weird. So anyway, just going from there, and kind of take it from there. So I'm gonna go chase down the guys, find out where they are. I thought I heard them out on the dyno, so I think they're running some running some stuff, actually. Oh, Brett's right there. So we'll be back to you shortly. Stay tuned. Oh, hey guys, I'm back. While I was here, Brett asked me to take a look at another 70 Charger that he's working on. He's got another 440 block, just trying to check a couple things. I guess the engine build started at another shop and was brought over here to finish up. So block looks correct. I think it's May 69. It's marked F440. It's an HP. Can't see serial number stamping, so I'm gonna go check that and compare it to the vehicle. But pretty much he said it was stock, cam, crank, so on and so forth. I'm really not sure like what they did or didn't do to it. So yeah, I just said, you know, I check it, try to match it, see if it's number matching, you know, mark it. Don't see it. Oh, there's the car. So yeah, I'll go check the car out. So just stay tuned. Be right back.